Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to start our next topic which is general election 2002. Before I am going to start my today's lecture, I just want to say that if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe it as well as click on the bell icon that you should know about my latest videos. If you like my videos, please like it, comment it as well as share it. So starting our topic, after coming into power on 12 October 1999, Pervez Musharraf promised to hold elections, which he fulfilled in 2002. Elections for the National and Provisional Assemblies were held simultaneously. People elected 272 members of the National Assembly, though ballot. In addition, there were 60 reserved seats for the women and 10 seats for the minorities as well in the election of 2002. In addition of the elections, they were quite unique in the history of the Pakistan, in the sense that many senior politicians stood ineligible as they were not able to meet the criterion of having graduation. Another interesting aspect of these elections were that for the first time in Pakistan, the distinction of Muslim and non-Muslim for the general seats was eliminated. In other words, joint electorate system was adopted. In addition to their own reserved seats, the minorities could also contest for many general seats. They could vote for Muslim candidates as well as other non-Muslim candidates. In these elections, some religious parties and groups formed an alliance called Muttehad Majlis-e Amla (MMA). MMA won 51 seats in the National Assembly, Muslim League Quaid-e-Azam Group 76 seats, Pakistan People's Party 62 seats, and the Muslim League Nawaz Group 14 seats. Since no single party could claim enough majority to form its exclusive government, 10 members of Pakistan People's Party, called Forward Bloc, joined Muslim League Quaid-e-Azam Group in order to have share in the government. Mir Zafarullah Khan Jamali of Muslim League Quaid-e-Azam Group was elected as the Prime Minister, who had also the support of Muttehad Majlis-e Amla (MMA). In Balochistan, Muslim League Quaid-e-Azam Group formed coalition government with Muttehad Majlis-e Amla. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, MMA formed its exclusive government because they won the seats in majority. In Punjab and Sindh, Muslim League Quaid-e-Azam Group was invited to form the government. Means in the election 2002, there is no single party won a majority of seats that they should form their alone government. So they called forward blocks and they made government with their alliances. In my next video, I inshallah will explain you about enlightenment of moderation, or as I have written on my slide that enlightened moderation. So till my next video, if you guys have any sort of confusion or you want to ask anything, you can ask me on Google Classroom in the comment section, as well as you can ask me on my YouTube channel in the comment box. Till my next video, stay at home, stay safe, safe lives. Thank you very much.